So here I am trying to run the HiSet build HiSet tool. So I am facing a problem, right? This here it is showing that there is no Python. So let's check it in. So is there any Python? For Python you have to enter Python, then version, and enter. So the command Python is not found. Okay, so but Python 3 is available. Let's check the Python 3 and then version. Okay, sorry, Python. So this system has the Python 3.10.12. So but we need the Python. So for that, in this problem I get a solution for that, and that is we have to update first and then sudo apt install Python in Python is Python 3. Let's do it, and you can just paste it in any terminal. So now it is working. Okay, it is done. Let's check it. Python version. So now you can see the Python version is available. You can also check Python 3 and then version. So now the Python and Python 3 is both are available. I guess it will solve our problem, and let's check it. And yes, it is working. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and leave a comment. For more bioinformatics tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.